Today we're going to check out the A3 portable car jump starter from GOOLOO. This thing has a built-in air compressor that gets up to 150 psi and can pump a flat tire from 25 to 36 psi in just a minute. So if you've watched the channel for any length of time, you know I've been trying to get all my vehicles, all my kids' vehicles, with portable jump starters. We had an incident camping in a remote area years ago where we tried to jump start a camper that was out there with us, the only other one, and caused some electrical problems on our vehicle. Since then, we've been testing these out. This is going to be the third product I've tried from GOOLOO. So unlike a lot of the other products that I have, this one has a large LED display on it. Easy on-off button for the flashlight, which has 3 modes for emergencies. This can also be used as a power bank. It has USB, you charge with a USB-C cable. Plug in your jump starter here. So let's see what's in the bag. It's a soft carrying case. User manual, air hose, jumper cables, and then we have a USB-C charging cable and air hose accessories. Forgot to mention the flashlight is 400 lumen. The 3000 amp lithium battery is capable of jump starting engines up to 9 liters for gas and 6.5 liter for diesel. Air hose has automatic shut off when it reaches the inflation level. And then as far as protections go with the GOOLOO, this thing offers short circuit protection, overcurrent protection, reverse connection protection, overheating protection, and overcharge protection. There's an 18-month warranty on it, and if you are watching this video in the first week, 50% off on Amazon right now. So I'll include links to where you can purchase that from Amazon and discount code information in the video description. Size comparison, the orange jump starter on the right is the GOOLOO GP4000. That one does not have an LED display and does not have the air compressor built in. So just a little bit wider, or just a little bit thicker, and then inch and a half wider with this one. So I do enjoy having the option to be able to air up my tires on the go. You guys have seen me jump start plenty of cars. I'm going to hook up the air hose and try it on a tire, and then I've got this ball that is needing some air in it. So just screw in the hose here. Let's do the ball first. Put the needle in, lock it in. So you can change from PSI to the other standards that are used in other countries. Right now it's set on 37. That's what you're set on, so I can take that down. There's a way. Yeah, so you can have a couple different settings with this top button here. So it changed to a car with 34, bike tire 44, and now we're at a ball with 9. So I'm going to take that down to 7 and see what happens. There we go. Good stuff. My car tire is currently at 34 psi, And I'm going to take it up to 35 just by pushing the power button here. There we go. So it looked like it shut off right before it hit 35, and then when I kicked it on for 2 seconds, then it jumped to 35 on the reading there. The hose is long enough so sitting on the ground or laying on the ground, you could get to the top side of the tire. It does stand up pretty good. Little handle here. All right, cool. It's gonna be a great addition to my collection in my vehicles. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the discount code if you're watching in the first week.